Alright guys, I'm at Ross Dress for Less looking for some furniture, and I see this beautiful chair. This is made in Indonesia, real leather too. Look at this. I know it was quality. Look in the back. See, craft created in Indonesia to reflect the country's unique artistry, made of real leather, and it's on sale. Look at this. You know I picked this up. Alright guys, so welcome to my bedrooms. Excuse a little mess right here. So I put the chair right there. It's a perfect place. There I can do some reading right by the light and right by the panel divider. I feel like I'm in NYC, you know? And let's look at the elegance and design on this chair once again. You see that made with real leather. That's Indonesian leather. And look at the craftsmanship. It's got a very good weight to it. Very wide design too. And look at the button tufted design. That is makes it look nice. I mean, you don't want to see like cheap screws, so that's where these fancy buttons come into play. Very nice craftsmanship. Look at that. I got it for a great deal. It's looking very elegant. So let me go ahead and sit on it and see how it feels. It's time to relax and unwind after a tough leg workout. Man, I was in the gym for almost 2 hours. Whoo-wee, and you know how strenuous leg workouts can be. Let me just unwind and read this old Michael Crichton book before he used the Michael Crichton name. So I'm loving this chair. It's wide enough and heavy enough to support the biggest of frames. And it's quite comfortable, guys. If only this had like a slight rocking capability. Can you just imagine that? And I just love the craftsmanship. I mean, this is probably using exotic wood, you know, shipped from Southeast Asia. So it's pretty much an exotic furniture. You know how expensive those can be. And I've recently found a lot of great deals from Ross Dress for Less. That's why I frequent there along with Burlington. I found great deals. You can see from my shoe reviews, furniture reviews. I found a lot of presents, gifts, toys, too. Anything you think of, man. That's why I love going to Ross Dress for Less and also Burlington. And this is definitely a very nice find right here. So if you are looking for a furniture or just beautiful decor for your home, definitely stop by Ross Dress for Less. And maybe you'll be lucky and find a chair similar to this. Now, let me get back to my reading.